Hello students, today we will learn about noun. Nouns are the names of persons, places, animals, things, or events, etc. Now we will take some examples to understand. Like, now we have some examples: person, animal, place, thing, idea. A name for a person: Jacob, Michael, Alina, Max. A name for an animal, like dog, cat, you can say rabbit, or etc. A name for a place, like New York, London, Mexico, or etc. A name for a thing: ball, chair, table, wall. We have a lot of things, or etc. A name for an idea: devotion, happiness, excitement. Now we understand nouns are names. Please like and subscribe to our channel AWM.